Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I am going to attempt to restyle this old frontal wig. This frontal has been washed, but I tried I think a few days ago to restyle it and I wasn't really seeing top. So today I'm going to try and see if things will work out today. Yeah, that's basically what this video is going to be about. So if you want to see me try to restyle this frontal wig, then definitely keep on watching. Now this wig was made a long time ago. Yeah, so this is a wig from Headmistress, and you can see how the inside of the wig looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to fix it. So I'm going to put it on my head like this way. This is how you put on a frontal wig, right? It's glueless, so let's see how things go. So I'm going to put it on like this. Yeah, we are done. Yeah. Obviously we are not done, so I'm going to try to make this thing look nice, like make it look wearable, okay? Because I've cut the thing somehow it has become short, so I'm going to try to style it in a way that can make it wearable to an extent. Okay, so that's what we have. Yeah, so the lace was dark brown. When I got the lace like way back, it was dark brown, and I tried to tint it and style it. So if you say glueless, this is glueless. Okay, it's glueless, and like you can wear it like this without adding any glue. Okay, but then because I tried to do lalas, here. So lalas, you're not seeing Ghana. Lalas is like side bends here, I try to do side bends here, so I would have to put this one down if I want to enjoy my side bends. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to try to comb it and then make it look presentable in the shortest possible time. So let's see how this thing goes. Okay, so can I get a bigger brush? Let me just go and get a bigger brush. Oh yeah, so I'm back. So sometimes even just combing the wig is enough, right? Just combing the wig is enough. And yeah, so let me just bring it down a little, and I'm going to create a part here, right? I'm going to create a part here. You see, I've not even done anything to the hair. We're just combing the hair in the direction that I want. Has already given the hair some style. So yeah, styling is very important. I've not done anything major to the hair, but you can see that because I'm just combing, it has given the hair some style already. Do you get it? So yeah, so I'm sure this is the baby hairs that I did some time back. I wish I could get rid of it, but I can't, so I'm just going to work with what I have. Okay, so comb it. If I want, I can straighten it to create bob or something, but I don't want to do that. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so let's bring this side bends here. This I'll definitely gel it down, but I'm not going to use any hair glue, just the regular hair gel. And yeah, so that's what the hairline is looking like. So I'm just going to pull this thing backwards. Like behind my ear, and I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing to this side, and I think I want to hold it, so I'm going to hold it. So like if this one looks like office, church, like something simple that you can wear, and it even looks like how do you call it, a pixie frontal. It looks like a pixie frontal. What do you guys think? So I'm just going to hold this thing at the back right now. You can use anything to hold. So when you use regular how do you call it, regular headbands, but if you have like any decorative, like any stylish ones, you can also use that. But I'm just going to use this one for the sake of the tutorial. So if you are doing yours, then you go in for the stylish ones. I'm not going anywhere really, so yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to tie it. This one is definitely going to come down. This one is definitely going to come down, and this one is going to go behind the ears. So I've been inserting pictures of how I styled the frontal back when I started like doing frontal. I think this was my very first frontal, and it has lasted up to this time. Well, it doesn't really look nice because I've done a lot of cuts, and you can see that this is all I have left. So yeah. Guys, I'm back. My camera wasn't recording, so my memory was full. My memory was full and my battery died, so I had to charge and come back and come and finish this thing. So yeah, where did I get to? So this, I'm definitely sure I'm going to cut this wig like soon. I'm definitely going to cut this wig into like a frontal, a pixie, very soon. This is just a thick head. I'm going to use that to lay down my 5 this side bends. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use my stick to make this part really nice and smooth. You can use any stick that you have really. So I'm just going to trim the side bends a little. Yeah guys, so that's all. Yeah guys, so that's all for this video, and please concentrate on the style, not the lace. Okay, yeah, that's all for this video. Let me know if you guys would try this style if you have a frontal lace, a lace front, like bob style. And yeah, that's all for this video. I'm definitely going to cast this into a pixie, and I'm going to film this one too, so definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so that you don't miss it when I upload it. And that's it. Yeah, basically that's it. I'll see you very soon in my next video.